So a boat has capsized at Lake Kariba. It's a DDF boat, and it is reported that it had 90 passengers and some are feared dead. DDF boat irinoshandiswa kutakura vanhu matemba fishi from Chalala fishing camp to Kariba town. Rescue efforts are still ongoing. I don't want to be graphic because YouTube haibvumidze, it doesn't allow, but zvandaona hazvinonyatsomira zvakanaka. Pane murume ari paground ari kutora zvazviri vana zvikunzwisa tsitsi vanhu vakuru. Munoziva moyo wangu waenda kure zvandaona zvacho hazvinotombomira zvakanaka. Helicopters are now on the ground vari kutraya kurescue vanenge varescue, but so far they only managed to rescue only 23 people. I was just talking to my sister and she was like, vanga vasina ma-life jackets here, and because we once went to Kariba and botika tikakwira we had life jackets. Ndikatomuti having a life jacket doesn't guarantee you kuti aunyure, because there is a lot that is involved per life jacket. Pai kana ukatrepwa underwater then hapana zvaungaite, or if you are caught in strong currents hapana zvaungaite. If kana wakapfeka hembe dziri like heavy clothes hapana zvaungaite. There are a lot of things that can make a person not to survive wearing a life jacket. So I think vacho vatongo uyu vaitawo lucky, vacho vakwanisa kuburitswa vacho vaita lucky. I'm not so sure if they are going to be, but pakaipa so far ndingangoti pakaipa. Zvinhu zvacho hazvinonyatsomira zvakanaka. Just for awareness sake, please be careful when going for my holidays or my places like Kariba. Mama boss unonyatsoona utoti but iro boat iro riri DDF ranga richinzi is one of the safest boats pane maboats ese. But nhasi weather iriko iri kunzi it's too windy and there was a strong current. Pane mumwe murume anga achiti zvoni ashandisa boat, he's there on the ground and he was using a small boat. I think ndove vehovere kana kuti vechi, but he was like, we were in a small boat, they saw things happening, and he was saying kuti pane wave rangouya so risina kumbonyatsonzwisisika kuti rabva nekupi. There were a lot of waves, and also that one that actually made it to capsize was too strong, and then zvikanzi futi Kariba nhasi hakuna kubuda zuva, it's windy. We know Kariba is a little bit warmer, kunopisa Kariba, but nhasi hanzi hakuna zuva, kurungoita mhepo chete. You know it's August. Mhepo ya August inonyatsomira zvakanaka, munoiziva mhepo ya August inenge chingonzi mhepo yemhepo and mhepo yemhepo. Haminoti ndazviexplaina here, but mazvinzwa pachishona mazvinzwa. So I think kuti mamabhotsi anenge ari paya kunyatsoserviswa, and pamwe acho anenge anotora vanhu vakawanda, and maona I saw someone who was posting ari mbot, same bot here, akati I used the same bot at some point in December, and then he wasn't wearing a life jacket, and people were asking, you were not wearing life jackets, how come you were not wearing life jackets? And he was like, vanga vakatomavharira. Isn't it one of the precaution that you're supposed to take? Like you're supposed to kuti before iwe usati wasimudza bot munhu wese ane life jacket here, because pakaitika anything vamwe vanhu vasina ma-life jackets then you are patoita nyaya hombe chaiyo maona. So he wasn't wearing a life jacket, and he was cool with it, not having a life jacket. Vanhu tinotora zvimwe zvinhu lightly. I've got a friend that passed away this year, a few months ago. She was actually telling me kuti we were planning to go on a cruise, and she was like, no, I don't like to go for a cruise because handidi mvura. And holiday haina kutoenda because like atinotozoenda kusvika afe. We discussed about going for a cruise. Chiti ngatisevhei tidai tozoenda for a cruise chichichi. Ndobva atoti inini nemvura. Inini I don't really mvura ndoda mvura. Although I can't swim, I can't what, but ndongofarira mvura. I'm someone anofarira mvura. Ndakatoenda kuchikoro kwekutoti taitoita swimming, and ndichitoenda kuswimming, but I don't know, I didn't, and now better that concept of swimming, but kuenda mvura chichi ndinokuda. But with this incident, I think I've changed my mind. So I'll keep you updated if there is anything that might come, but that is heartbreaking. There are people that I saw with their relatives that are not answering calls. Vanga vari mubhoti momo. Mafoni awo havasisina, but vanhu at this moment they want to know who survived, who didn't make it. They are trying to find their relatives at this moment. So I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this one.